हेलो इंटरमीडिएट दोस्तों, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज़ आपके लिए। वी एट एएस फाउंडेशन आर प्रोवाइडिंग accounting standard group 1 and accounting standard group 2 lectures fully free. So don't miss this opportunity. Go to our website vino.in and place your order today. You'll get all the lectures, recently recorded lectures of accounting standard group 1 and group 2 fully free. Accounting standards have weightage of about 30 to 40 marks. And if you do it properly, your score in accounts paper will be very high. We have covered accounting standard in too much of detail and they will be very useful to you. So don't delay. Website is vino.in and place your order today for free accounting standard. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel AS Foundation and we will come out with more such important videos for you. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.